Bluetooth device like airpod, speaker, or sound system is connected to PC, but there is no sound. Let's fix it. Here you can see my airpod is connected, but I can't hear voice or sound, and I can give any voice to computer. So let's check it. Go to the search bar and type control panel. First of all, go to sound. Right click on it and set it airpod stereo to default sound system. And then click on device and printers. Here you can see there is my airpod, and double click on it and go to the hardware. Click on audio and video remote control, and then driver, update driver. Browse to my computer. Let me pick, and then here you can see Microsoft Bluetooth AB RCB and transport driver. Click on that and click on next. Computer will install the driver. Here you can see now my airpod is connected with music. After that, you need voice to your airpod, and then go to the audio video remote control target. Go to update driver. Let me pick. Here you can see Microsoft ABRCP transport driver. Microsoft. Click on it and install the driver. And click on hand free profile. Double click on it. Driver. Update driver. Let me pick, and here you can see Microsoft Bluetooth hand-free profile audio gateway role. Click on it and next. Install the driver, and there you can see my airpod is now connected with voice and music. So thank you.